Kyaddala.
My name is Anita Fabiola. I'm a media personality and actress, and I'm also really excited about tonight.
My name is Ramsey Nouah. I'm a Nollywood actor, and I run the company, Ramsey Films. Works because Fabi is very strong here in Uganda. Do you understand what I'm saying? So, if for instance, and I want Ugandan market, I would definitely need Fabi to make it happen. So if you want Nigerian market, you want to put in somebody over there that you know is also strong, and that's just the way it works in so many ways. I've what's this girl's name? Tokyo? No, is it Tokyo? The girl in Money Heist. It's Tokyo, right?
Yeah.
I saw Tokyo in what's his Kevin Hart's film.
Yes.
The Lift.
The Lift. Yes.
Yeah, I was like, whoa.
Yeah.
Tokyo is Hollywood. That's all it took. Why would they use Tokyo in Hollywood? Maybe they want the Spanish market. It's just simple.
Yeah.
Just get into the market.
So, yeah, and that's perfect. You know, there's a lot of opportunities such a collaboration really comes with. The other day I was interacting with someone from Kenya. They work with Netflix. And they told me that Uganda, you're good. You have good products. But if you open up to collaboration and you bring bigger markets together, you open them up. So it's already a big business opportunity. Also, Netflix will come and say, you know what, would love to have this on our what? On our channel. Because it's influencing now the Nigerian markets to come and appreciate the Ugandan markets. So the same way now, that's why I say that Kyaddala is going to be a vehicle to kind of introduce our movies to different markets. You get it? So many people will start looking at, oh, this is done in Uganda. So they start now looking at other kind of productions. So those are some of the opportunities that it really comes with it. So let's not get scared of our women. In fact, if our women go there, the better. Because they'll also bring more opportunities to us. You get it? That's how even marriage is done. I want you to get married in the other family because there are more opportunities. I'm going to tap into that. But also we have had so many Ugandans doing a lot of business with Nigerians. We have a lot of Nigerians doing a lot of business in Uganda. And now also, you know, Nollywood and whatever wood Uganda will be, you get it? It's going to be now combined together. And also we shall now start seeing lots of opportunities.
UG Wood.
UG Wood. Yeah, UG Wood. And we shall have a lot of opportunities opened. We have seen also some Nigerian actors doing some productions here. You get it? So it's about us now for us to join forces in marketing our products. And marketing our products is through marketing our country, marketing our heritage to be appreciated elsewhere. Yes.
Back.
Yeah.
So if she can did it, everybody can did it. Yeah. But let's be serious though. The aim of this project is, I like the fact that he emphasized the 90-10. It is not to come and take over Ugandan film industry, but to inspire the industry. It's to teach, to show, to lead. You know how the senior brother helps the younger brother to become what they need to become. At least to hold hands till Ugandan film industry can find their own direct market and be able to have their own complete sustenance plan where they will not need any external factors to grow. Where people from neighboring countries like Mozambique and Tanzania and Rwanda will want to come and join this industry just like we have in West Africa and Nigeria. So the plan, like I said before, is to inspire Uganda to the greatness that is already in it. We already see it in it, and we're saying that we want to lend our voice and our hands and our hearts to help you guys grow your own industry and become all that you're meant to be.
This guy don't shake table.
Now,
Don't shake table now.
now let me explain the question. She asked that 10% is shot in Nigeria and 90% is shot here. So the worry is that if our women go to Nigeria to shoot, they might even remain there and not come back. because your men might take them.
Anita came back.
So how are they protected? Yeah. So maybe Muchibi, you can answer that question.
I will answer in English.
Yes.
Besides
Oluganda ndutegeera bulungi era ndwogera naye bwe bakutunuzaamu kamera n'omuzinda gulina engeri gye gubulamu but kati nze njogera on behalf of actors ne actresses kino ekintu omanyi bw'otandika industry obeerako n'abantu b'otunuulira mu industry abakusooseeyo, so sometimes oba oyagala kukola nabo. So the fact that kino ekintu Richer Hand ekituleetedde n'ekituteera wano, it means a lot. It means a lot. Kiba kitegeeza nti talent yaffe, stories zaffe zigenda crossinga borders. Ate kyekintu kye tuba tusinga okwagala. Ebisigadde ndowooza Humphrey abyogedde, sijja kwongerako binene, naye tuli excited about this project. Tusaba mmwe nga abannamawulire ba media houses bonna abali wano mutusupporting eno project, because eno project yaffe. Eno project egenda kutwala stories yaffe across borders, egenda kutwala talent yaffe across borders, egenda kutwala ffenna abaliko eno project and beyond. So tusaba mutuwagire mubeere ku side yaffe. Ebisigadde ndowooza tujja biraba mu maaso. Tweyanziza mwebale nnyo kujja.
Is that this project, 90% of the shooting is going to be done in Uganda and also working with the Ugandans, and then also 10% is going to be shot in Nigeria. So that's a proper collaboration that we are showing to bring two countries together to showcase what is in Nigeria and also what is in Uganda, so that we can build the bridge of appreciation of both cultures, both heritages, bring them together. So that's one of the best news that is going also to help us, and also through that is going to really uplift so many things. It's going to uplift, let's say, exchange visits between Uganda and Nigeria, since we also have Uganda Airlines. It's going to exchange tourism visits between Nigeria and Uganda. I mean, also you saw recently Nancy visited the zoo and he was enjoying with the Ugandan animals. I don't know, do you have animals in Nigeria, Chris? A few here and there, you get it? So Kataba Nigeria.
The animals we have in Nigeria, they are bushmeats.
Yeah, so for example, we have our friend here, Kingsley. When he came to visit Uganda, he decided to stay. And he's doing amazing in the film industry.
Don't they have many
Yeah, so those are some of the benefits that we believe are such productions. As Chris said, we have a lot of productions in stock that we've already started working on. And since we are now on the bus, there's no turning back. There's no turning back, and I think also we're waiting for this moment of like, you know what? Kirabas. Yeah, let's just jump on and then no turning back. So by October, first week of October is when we are going to do shooting. But also before then, we're going to be announcing a proper roadmap whereby we shall be having auditions. Then after auditions, we shall be having a script conference.
Before the shooting, I think we intend to do auditions like 2 months before then?
Yes.
2 months before
2
that,
months before that. And also,
will be settled and shared with the press.
yes. So at least also Kyaddala is going to be like a proper training ground for our filmmakers, and also to learn how you know these guys in Hollywood take time to prepare for production. So it's also another way of building up our capacity. So it's not about shooting, it's about building capacity, it's about also getting proper mentorship. You know, it's about us, like growing up our industry in different phases. And the next production, the people that will work on Kyaddala, trust me, the next production will be totally different. You know, from set design to everything in the back end on how things are done. So for us, we are looking at an opportunity of learning. You know, not an opportunity of the entertainment of making money, but the opportunity of learning. So we urge you, so many filmmakers out there, that we're going to come to you, and yeah, please come and be part of this. Thank you. Say, nti Sauti Plus Richer Hand Uganda, yega Senesozo Films and Ramsey Films.
Yes.
Okukola Kyaddala season 3. Era nga tuli basanyufu nnyo nti tubawadde n'amannya ge Uganda. Oli bamuyita Mukiibi okuva ne leero, Mr. Ramsey tumuyita Guma, era nga nabo tubawadde ennaku 270 okuba nga bategeera olulimi lwaffe olw'e Uganda wano. Ndowooza babitegedde bulungi kyova abanyenya n'omutwe. Kati, let's get back now. I was like that. Now you guys have understood. You're even shaking your head. Okay, so amawulire getulese leero nti to launch nze Kyaddala season 3. Ate nga Kyaddala season 3 twegasse wamu ne Nollywood. Tugenda kubanga tukola mu myezi egijja, era we twogerera kati tubadde tukola ku script production, nga tumajinga ensi bbiri, Uganda ne Nigeria. Era nga mu season 3 Mr. Ramsey agenda kubeera nga ye lead, one of the lead characters baba batya mu Luganda abagenda okuzanya mu film eyo, era nga tugenda kuleetayo n'abalala last season 2 twalina abana Kenya, era nga nabo bagenda kukola kikomawo, abagenda okwegatta n'abana Uganda tukole production ennungi ennyo, era nga tugenda kukozesa kamera za mulembe, tugenda kukozesa amataala ga mulembe, tugenda kukozesa crew nga ya mulembe nnyo nnyo n'amaanyi, naye nga era abannayuganda be bagenda okuba nga bakola n'abanigeria. So olwo kyekintu kye tubadde twagala okwanawunsinga leero eri abannamawulire babeere ku lookout, era nga ffe tulowooza nti by October tugenda kuba nga tushutinga. Naye ate n'ekirala ekirungi ekigenda okujja ne production eno nti parts ezisinga tugenda zishutingira Uganda, 90% zigenda kubeera nga zishutingibwa Uganda, naye 10% egenda kuba nga eshutingibwawa Nigeria. So kataawo tugenda kuba nga tulaze collaboration egyo tubadde tukola twogerako, era nga ensi bbiri zonna okuzigatta awamu, era nga kitu aiminga nti season 3 at least egenda kututumuka mu mawanga agasinga mu Africa, lwakuba nti abantu betuleeta ate ku ntimbe za screen ez'e Uganda be bantu betubadde tulaba. Era mu kirabo ekyo kiba kituyamba ate movie z'e Uganda okututumuka nezibeera nga ziri wabwa ensi yonna, era aim ya making sure nti tugenda ku streaming platforms, buli omu z'alina mu nnyumba ze, era tulabe nga tugenda okutambula ffenna. Era tukumiriza emiranga basponsa baffe bapatna baffe abagala okutweyungako, please batandike okusayininga app gebifo tebinaba kukola tebinaba kuggwaawo. Yes.
So it's actually really a great honor to be part of this. Like the partnership, Sozo Films, Ramsey Films, Southie, and yes, when we started off this last year, I can't keep resonating that as much as I can. When we started off last year, we agreed that okay, we'll come to some form of partnership and do something that would help elevate each other, you know, in every way possible in the media. And yes, unfortunately, when we went back home to Nigeria, there was so much to do within the time frame that we couldn't really do much. But this time around, coming and then seeing how far Humphrey has gone, you know, with the second edition of Icon Awards was like bewildering. It was like, for me, it was like mind-blowing. I'm like, okay, fine, like, then we need to do something. So basically, Humphrey and Chris just sat down and decided, oh, you know what, let's do this. Let's, you know, let's work on this because we're trying to see we're going for the next season and to work on this. And for your information, this will be the third season, as you have been told already, but we intend to take it to, like, you know, 300 seasons, you know. Like the way the Turkish do plenty seasons, 300. I'm joking, don't worry, write that down. No? It's just a joke. We can take joke. Yes, Turkish guy, they did like 200 seasons, 100 seasons, 80 something seasons. I'm like, what? Yeah. On an ending story. So that's where we are with, we want to see how we can get incorporated with that or in partnership with Kyaddala. Now, with that said, let's hand over to Muchizu. Yes, Muchizu.
Of Kyaddala. We're so many, you know, so we all couldn't come here. But basically, when we started filming Kyaddala from season 1, what we were hoping everyone is able to take away are the lessons from this show. Like he mentioned, we talk a lot about domestic violence, we talk about HIV and AIDS, and we were always hoping for everyone to be able to take home something. What can you learn from a show like Kyaddala? Yes, it's entertainment, but there's a lot of lessons in there. So me being able to lend my likeness and my influence to such a show, that's a dream come true. Me being able to represent such heavy topics, because usually if I'm to hold a conference and talk to you about HIV and AIDS the whole day, the whole month, the whole year, you'll be bored and you'll probably not learn anything. But being able to be in a show that is entertaining, that is influential, but we talk about things that are able to help you in everyday life, help you so you can help another person, that means everything to me. And the entire cast holds the same values, holds the same interests, and we hope that you enjoy This upcoming season, there's a lot of work that is being put into it. A lot more lessons that we're putting in there, but it's still entertaining. And I love to call it edutainment because that's basically what we do with this show. And I'm just hoping you are able to learn what we're trying to teach. Apart from being entertained, just take out the lessons, and with that, we're all able to help as many people as we can because that's what this is about at the end of the day.
So right now we are looking into a new twist, and remember we've been talking about collaboration, 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 and for us, looking at how we're going to collaborate with Ramsey Films and Sozo Films, in terms of now bringing in a twist on Pan-African, and also looking at both issues in different worlds and how they happen. We believe it's going to create a major impact in the lives of young people in Uganda, in the lives of people in Uganda. It also might also lead to a great policy change and policy shift on what we're really looking at, especially in the film industry. So that's about Kyaddala. We're very excited. We're very happy on what is coming next. Yeah, so I'll pass over to maybe Tina, to Miss Tina in Kyaddala, who's Fabiola, to just maybe give us her experience on Kyaddala season 1 and season 2, and also her hopes on where we are going. Then Mr. Guma and Chris will now give us the real hopes on where we are heading. Yeah, Muchibi and Guma. Yes. Palace and what really happens there. So it's season 1 and season 2, they were more educative. They created a lot of impact in the societies that we live in, especially in Uganda. It showed on NBS for the whole, the 2 seasons. And then later it also showed on Pearl Magic. And now we're very excited about where we're heading with
And then I'll dunk it.
and then Guma and Chris will basically give us the real insights and the kind of partnership we're announcing today. So Kyaddala season 1, of course, and season 2. So far now we're getting into season 3, which is like more of a spin-off. Season 1 and season 2 are looking at the life of a young person and the issues they go through, both in the society, at school, and also in the different institutions they look at. And it was addressing issues on gender-based violence, addressing issues on HIV and AIDS, addressing issues on drug abuse amongst the young people. And also I'm happy that Fabiola is here. She acted as Miss Tina in Kyaddala season 1 and season 2. And in season 2 we brought in a lot of domestic violence, that happens in relationships. We brought in issues of gambling, drugs, and all that. And we've transformed from a high school to now a campus setting. But also look at the campus setting, we're looking at also what happens at home. When the young people are at home, what happens